In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Wix email. We will go through the full process of creating and sending an email from your Wix dashboard in a clear and simple way. If you are using Wix to connect with your audience, this built-in email marketing tool can help you send announcements, promotions, updates, or newsletters without leaving your site. To begin, go to your site's dashboard. This is the main control area for your Wix website, where you can manage your content, settings, and marketing tools. Once you are there, look at the menu on the left side and select Marketing and SEO. Then choose Email Marketing. This will take you to the section where you can create and manage your email campaigns. When the page opens, click Create Email if you want to start a new campaign. You may also have the option to choose a template. Templates are useful if you want a faster starting point, since they already include a basic layout that you can adjust. Whether you start from scratch or use a template, the next part is customizing your email design. In the editor, you can update the content and shape the email so it matches your brand or message. Take a moment to review the layout carefully. Make sure your text is easy to read and that the design looks clean and professional. A simple and organized email usually performs better than one that feels too crowded. Once your design is ready, click Next. This will move you to the recipient selection screen. Here you can choose who will receive your email from your contacts list. Be sure to select the correct audience, especially if your message is meant for a specific group. Sending the right message to the right contacts is an important part of effective email marketing. After that, fill in the subject line and sender details. The subject line should clearly explain what the email is about, since this is one of the first things people will see in their inbox. Your sender details should also be accurate and recognizable, so recipients know the message is coming from your business or brand. Finally, once everything looks correct, click Send to deliver the email right away. If you would rather have it go out at a later time, choose Schedule and set it for when you want it sent. That covers everything you need to know.